Okay, hi there. This is me, Alpha Rizan. This is the first time I record my voice.
Oh no!
Okay, focus to the video. First, you can click to the title and select the simple title is default title. And drag the text down, double click to the text, the title, okay, and click advance. After that, I will set my own name.
Oh no!
Okay, but after you set your own name, just you can control the motif of the text. And I will set the size. Okay, normal, 80. After that, press OK. And don't forget to cut the text in 3 seconds. And copy the text that we just edited. And lock the text. After that, paste the text in the up of the text that we just added. And unlock the text again. After that, double click the first text and change the color to black. Okay, you see that? Okay, you see that? That is black. After that, you can go to transition and search deposit up. And put the transition to the text number 2. And the long should be about 2 seconds. Okay. After that, I will never forget to press rendering frame for smooth playback. And then export the text. Before you export the text, okay, control it like me. Okay, 30. Okay, now you can import the text that we just edited. And import some video, but no copyright. And cut the video until the same size. And this is the hard thing you should know. Cut the text in 1 minute 13 seconds and 1 minute 23 seconds and 2 minutes 80 seconds. Okay, Now there are 4 texts that we just cut. And go to effect, and you just have to find shake and set sideways 1 to text number 1, number 2, and number 3. Don't put anything on the text number 4, the last text. Okay, after that, find distortion and set the chromatic aberration and flip to the text number 2. And then you can cut the text number 3 in 2 seconds. And now we have 5 texts. Okay, double click to the text number 4 and erase the sideway 1 and the side and the chromatic aberration. After that, double click to the text number 2 and set the chromatic aberration. Just follow my step. Okay, 30. Press OK. And press rendering frame for smooth playback. Okay, double click to the text number 1 and set normal to lighten. Okay, set all of the text with lighten, from normal to lighten. Okay. I will never forget about this. Okay, I will press rendering frame again. After that, it will be like this. Okay, sorry for my computer because it is always lag. And give some audio. Okay, I will leave a link in the description. After that, export the video. And let's see what happened.